So we're going to use the schematic of this vintage pinball machine, a 1964 Bally Sky Divers, to understand or diagnose a fault which causes, let's just show you, causes the step-up unit for replays to keep advancing, and you can also hear the score motor running underneath that that distinctive sound. So, looking at the schematic again, the parts that are interesting is, say, the score motor, which can only run if one of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one of these 6 switches are closed and energizing it. The step up is over here. Here it is. That will run the replay unit switch if that's closed. I might have got the right one there. Yeah. And the multiple play coin relay needs to be closed there. This is the replay unit limit switch. So in other words, that stops it when the step-ups get to about 40, something like that. It won't go any further. And this part of the circuit, which is sending pulses from here, the 1AA score motor just sends pulses, and this lot counts it and will allow well, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls, games per coin. So we're going to redraw that, but the multiple play coin relay is over here. So we'll copy this rung as well. So first one is the score motor. So we know that the reset trip has actually been energized, so that's now open. These could be, well, if any one of those did close, that would run the score motor, but the multiple play coin relay is the suspicious one. So if that was closed, again the score motor would run. The multiple coin relay here, so if that is energized, it would be energized by the multiple play coin switch when the start trip is back to inactive. And finally, the replay unit step-up solenoid will fire if the the replay unit limit switch, as I said, stops it if it gets to 40. But also the multiple play coin relay switch, again, if that's closed, it will receive pulses from this bit of circuitry here. 1AA sends 5 pulses per sequence, and then these cut it down to 4, 3, 2, and my machine is set to 2, and you can probably hear in the fault video that it seems to be going sort of ka-chunk, 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 ka-chunk. So everything points to this multiple play coin relay switch stuck shut. Well, here it is, and you can see that it has in fact got stuck underneath the coin chute. There's more of the wire that's sort of behind this. So freeing it, it springs up to about there underneath the coin chute. Turn the machine on again, and everything worked fine. The score motor ran a little bit when, stopped at home, and I got two games on the multiple play coin display, multiple play coin unit. So that was the problem. Some coin must have come down here and just, unfortunately, the way it landed, stuck it under this this coin chute, and that was the problem.